Some of the earliest examples of human timekeeping were calculated by observing the night sky. In pursuit of conquering time, we've long since advanced beyond the need to chart the constellations to regulate our lives. But Glashutte Original hasn't forgotten about our connection to the cosmos. Celebrating 180 years of fine German watchmaking, this is the limited Glashutte Original PanoMaticLunar Anniversary Edition. Hi, I'm Matt from Exquisite Timepieces, and today I'm honored to present to you one of the first looks at the Glashutte Original PanoMaticLunar Anniversary Edition. In this video, I'll be covering all the information you need to know about this limited edition piece. We'll talk about the history, design, materials, movement, and I'll even get into some technical specifications so you know exactly what to expect when you pick up this watch from ExquisiteTimepieces.com. 180 years ago, Glashutte Original was founded in Glashutte, Saxony, a state in eastern Germany. In pursuit of more efficient timekeeping, the brand looked to the stars for calculations. However, as early as the 1870s, Glashutte Original was developing timepieces more accurate than on-site astronomical calculations. Still, laser focused on innovation, Glashutte needed a more accurate means of tracking time. So, in 1880, one of the first telegraph connections in the region was established to transmit a weekly time signal from England. Yet, 180 years later, Glashutte Original remembers the brilliance of the stars with this groundbreaking piece. This watch's main event is the brand's first ever aventurine dial. Inspired by 17th century Venetian Murano glassmaking, this quartzite material was specifically chosen for its intense color and fine sparkle. Set in this style are asymmetrical modern Glashutte Original design cues, two overlapping dials, one for hours and minutes, and one for seconds, a classic style moonphase complication, and a rectangular frame cutout for double-digit date numerals. The movement decoration design is as equally impressive as the watch face, displaying ornate engravings, striping, and handiwork in the also asymmetrical layout. The Original went all out for the materials on this anniversary watch. The case is completely made of platinum. The hour and minute hands are clad with white gold and coated in superluminova. Complementing them are solid gold indices. Representing the moonphase complication is a white mother-of-pearl sphere complementing the star-studded aventurine dial. Pairing these precious materials to your wrist is your choice of blue alligator or synthetic woven strap. Here are some of the technical specifications I've yet to mention. The finely finished caliber 9214 automatic movement offers 100 hours of power reserve, vibrating 28,800 times per hour. The movement is also shock resistant with hacking and hand winding, with a silicone balance wheel offering enhanced magnetic resistance. The watch also comes with sapphire crystal, which offers visibility into the stars with anti-reflective coating inside and out. It's got a 40mm case, a 12.8mm height, and a lug-to-lug of 47mm. The watch is 5-bar water resistant, and the price for either strap option comes out to $39,500 USD. Happy anniversary, Glashutte Original! Exquisite Timepieces is an authorized Glashutte Original dealer, so you can check out the accumulation of 180 years of elite German watchmaking experience on ExquisiteTimepieces.com. Head down to the description for the link, as well as contact information from our top-rated team, who can help you secure one of 180 of these very special pieces. We post watch reviews every week, so be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss another special edition, limited edition, or anything in between. I'm Matt from Exquisite Timepieces. Thank you for your time.